What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I mix aloe vera with black rice water, and I'm going to be showing you guys my results and how my hair felt after using this. So right now I'm just showing you guys how I cut the aloe vera. I picked these from the side of the street. They were wild. But they're equally good, and they smell like, these are really strong. These are not like the ones you find in a store that doesn't really have a smell to it. These, they had like yellow drippings, and the scent is like, oh, gross. But nonetheless, I was just using it, skinning it off, and then I used the back of the knife to remove the aloe. So as you can see, I'm putting the aloe in a blender. So using the back of the knife and scraping the aloe off. And then I'm going to blend it. Then I'm going to be using lemongrass essential oil to cut that aloe vera scent down, because I think if I put this thing on my hair with this scent, I am going to throw up, okay? So I put the lemongrass in it, and it smells so good. Right now I'm just adding the rice water to it, and voila, a perfect concoction of hair goodness. Stay tuned. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the lemongrass essential oil with the aloe vera mixed with the black rice water. So normally when I apply the rice water rinse, I wash my hair with shampoo first, a sulfate-free, chemical-free shampoo, and then I apply the rice water treatment, and then I apply my conditioner. But today I'm going to do it slightly different. The mix with aloe, lemongrass, and black rice water, it smells so good. Like, the aloe by itself has smell really smell like medication, but the lemongrass oil added to it makes it smell really good. So I'm going to try to put this in a spray bottle. Hopefully I don't make a mess. I had needed a funnel, but so I got the concoction in a spray bottle. Is it going to spray? Yes. So as you can see, I am applying my rice water mixture to my hair, starting from the roots, because that's really where I want most of the rice water to get to, my roots, and then it'll drip down throughout my hair. So I start from my roots, and then I spray my ends, and then I go ahead and I brush my hair and I retwist it. I got a little tired because my hair is a lot to deal with, so I just ended up starting to like dip the hair in the mixture, squeeze off the excess, and then like massage my scalp with the excess mixture that's in the tips of my hair, and that works even better to make me move a little faster, because I don't want to be in my hair all day. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna spray in a little bit more before I put the shower cap. Then I'm just going to be dipping the ends a little bit. Making sure the ends are nice soaked. Okay, so I ended up putting my plastic bag because it wasn't tight enough and the water was just dripping like crazy. So I put on my plastic bag and I ended up leaving it in my hair for like 2 hours. So let's see what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like. Oh my gosh, it feels like silk. Oh, my hair feels like silk. It feels so soft and nice. Oh my goodness. So I'm definitely going to be doing this. So this is lemongrass essential oil, aloe blended with black rice water. Y'all saw the recipe in the beginning, so feel free to rewind it as often as you need to. But this is what I am going to be doing for the next few months, and we're gonna see if black rice water is really a faster way to grow hair in comparison to the regular rice water. So let's see. But it makes my hair feel so good. To rinse it out, and then I'm going to be applying my nourishing conditioner, and then that's it. I'm just going to be doing some twists, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button, and be sure to share this video. I truly appreciate all of you for sharing my videos. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.